Costco, let's buy some food. When I say food, I mean chicken bake first. Hey girls, who wants chicken bake? Okay, we gotta go over this way. Costco food court or restaurant or whatever you call it. Come on, you want chicken bake? Do you want this now or later? They're trying to tempt you. No chocolate cookie. Scan it. I may have made a mistake. I went down the front entrance and we're already being tempted. It's a Myers multi-surface variety cleaner pack, but these are kind of strange. Okay, lilac, daisy, but fresh cut grass. I don't know anybody that wants their counters. They smell like fresh cut grass. That's very unusual. But this is what we use, the Myers Clean Day. Let's see if Judy wants it. Honey, check your text messages. There's this multi-pack of the Myers cleaner. There is 1 cent that's kind of strange. I didn't know if you wanted it. It looks like it's on sale. Okay, first item I'm grabbing, tomato paste. I'm always surprised how quickly we go through this. There's 12 cans in here. It's organic. More and more we're adding tomatoes to almost all our dishes. Even like a stir fry. Oh, she puts it into corned beef hash too, which is really smart. Just add savoriness. So same thing with the tomato paste. We're adding this. Lots of umami in tomato paste. In tomatoes in general.
So what's umami taste like?
Umami is a newer sense that I think Japanese kind of isolated. That's what MSG is. You know MSG? It's basically umami. Speaking of tomatoes, this stuff is the best. And I usually stock up on it when it comes out because it's kind of a seasonal product. I don't see it all the year, but look at this. It's $12.39, which is 40 cents more than what I remember it being. So yeah, it's going up in price. Inflation. You want a smoothie? Don't worry, you're gonna get a smoothie afterwards. Has anybody tried this croissant bread? Because it is bomb diggity. We're huge fans of it for grilled cheese, sandwiches. Juliana, do you like this croissant bread? Yeah. Girl, do you like this stuff?
Yeah.
Croissant bread?
No.
It's really smart. Where was it that I saw this at TNT? TNT had a similar thing.
TNT.
Almost feel like maybe they stole it from TNT. But this is genius because sometimes what we'll do is we'll take croissants, especially older croissants that are a little bit, that got kind of stiff, then slice it and make sandwiches out of it. So the fact that they just took this and made it into a proper loaf, smart. Did we run out of Nutella? Real, for reals? Oh, I'm gonna take your word for it. Look, they changed the packages. It's like a thinner bottle. It's not as round. 2 of these for 15 bucks, $7.50 each. Seems kind of expensive. I do remember Nutella being kind of expensive. Juliana, Nutella on the croissants, toasted with butter.
Oh, no, bananas.
Oh, and bananas.
Look,
Mind blown, mind blown. What?
Oh, I can go with
Oh, bacon sauce even better.
and car baby.
And strawberry? Okay, stop it. Should we buy strawberries?
Yeah.
And try it? Okay.
Yeah, I won't die.
Do we need applesauce? Okay, go ahead, grab one applesauce. You guys stay right there, okay? Thank you, Juliana. Seaweed, we go through these so quickly now. Hey, do you guys like seaweed for sushi? Okay, something that I wish went on sale is this Rao sauce. If this Rao sauce went on sale, which, you know what? I think I remember it going on sale once. I would buy 2 whole boxes of this. This is our favorite. Definitely Judy's favorite. Oh, look at this though. We might have to try this one. Kirkland brand organic marinara from Tuscany. So you know it's legit. It's from Italy. Whoa, it's a 3-pack. That's a good deal. $3.33 each. Okay, I'll take it. Versus, how much is the Rao's? $12, $6 a bottle. It is a bigger bottle, but it's not that much bigger. Kirkland signature, better deal. I think it's about time I grab my mom a thing of flour. She's always baking us bread like, I want to say probably 5 to 6 days a week. You know what I wish they did sell here? Pizza flour. So I just started using regular all-purpose flour for my pizzas, but it's not as fluffy and it doesn't get as flaky. It's called 00 flour. But my pizza is still good even with the all-purpose flour, so I'll take it. How's the chicken bake? Good? Dang, you blasted through that. You must have been hungry. We went to the trampoline park before this, so. I bought 2 chicken bakes for these 3 girls. This is all that's left. What? Checks? Yeah, oh, a snip snapper. Somebody left their Chex cereal here. They must have wanted this instead of this. This is the last piece of chicken bake that they left for me. Still warm. I'll take it. We're gonna do ramen today, okay? If you love Olive Garden, is this just like the Olive Garden salads? Personally, I'm not a big fan of Olive Garden because I'd rather have Italian food at home or our favorite, this local place. But you guys love Olive Garden. No! No more sell on the Spam, unfortunately. That was a good deal. I think we have enough Spam for 2 or 3 years, so appreciate it, Costco. Never, ever, never. Free samples? Let's see if they got some. My gosh, they have them. Okay, these are the best, okay, right here. Everyone's gonna love these for the party. Who would have ever thought Pirate Booty would become so big? I think it used to be popcorn originally, right? Pirate Booty, wasn't it popcorn? Was it always a chip like this? No. It's gotten so popular. Yeah? Whoa! I got scared. Another customer grabbed chips right in front of me. I thought they were falling. What? I went like this. Whoa! We got another snip snapper. We used to get these for the girls, but I guess they're not a big fan.
No, because I remember
When we go to the Airbnb, we'll get those, okay?
More samples.
Okay, we're gonna find more samples. Don't you worry. Crumble cereal. Cinemoji Toast Crunch. Oh, I just realized Cinemoji for emoji. Okay, crumble cereal, aka dessert for breakfast. Hey, did you like the bluey cereal? Did you like it? Was it good?
Green.
Yeah, it's green and blue. Well, yeah, it looks green, but it's actually yellow and blue. Looks green. Look at this. Doritos Cool Ranch on sale. Expires $2/9/25. Well, when we go to the Airbnb, we'll get this.
More samples. Look at, there's more samples.
We've got a big party that we're gonna be putting on.
More samples.
And more samples? Okay, let's go check it out. So I'm gonna come back here, of course. I'm eyeing all the sales. Hello Kitty and Friends Spring Plush Pail. Oh, it's like a bucket.
I think it's an Easter basket.
Oh, an Easter basket. Says carry your treats inside. Super soft spandex fabric.
Look at it.
Jumbo size. 6+ years old. Would that be fun to have? Would you like this? Is this like in fashion or something right
No,
now?
I would never wear it out. It's for Easter.
What is this right here? I thought Squishmallows are supposed to be really big. They're small Squishmallows. Okay, this is getting kind of ridiculous now. Really? Mia has this big one?
Yeah, this size.
Is this actual Squishmallows?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Pokemon Squishmallows. Look how big these are.
Mia has that.
These are gigantic. Here, let's have Bella hold this, please. This, hold it. Valentine's pasta. Italian 4-cheese ravioli. What's inside of it? Oh, 4 cheese. That's it. Okay. These though, I'm all for this. Heart macarons.
Vanilla and raspberry.
We're gonna get that for the party for sure, okay? I think you're getting a little tall to stand on the edge of the cart now, but it's okay. Just be very, very careful, okay? Moving on to the fruit. This is a really good deal. They always have these Danju or green pears, organic, 4 pounds, $9. I mean, it's still expensive because all fruit's expensive, but this is good. And guess what? You can totally juice these. Really good flavor. You want to get that? Okay, something else that's a good deal is this right here. Carrots. And I haven't seen these in a while. I think these are, oh no, they're not as good of a deal. Multicolored carrots.
Watermelon.
We need more watermelon for sure? Okay, let's get it here. Are we all out of mixed berries?
Mixed berries, yeah.
Okay, Juliana, why don't you show me first what you're pointing out? Oh, okay. For the party, we're definitely gonna get this. I've never seen that big of a platter of cookies. You got chocolate chip, white chocolate chip, oatmeal raisin, one of Daddy's favorites. How much is this? 22 bucks? That is a good deal too.
They have a smaller one though.
I wonder if it's on sale right now. No, it's not. What should we get for the party, babe?
A cake.
You want to get a cake? Okay. Definitely gonna grab 2 things of bananas. I've been on my BBBB diet, so I've been eating a lot of bananas. You're gonna hold that? Don't drop it though, okay? Because you gotta be gentle with those. These are looking good. They're ripening perfectly. My BBBB diet, it's bananas, black coffee, Brazil nuts, and beef jerky. BBBB diet. Watermelon. I know I keep teasing you guys. Obviously, we're done having kids, but it's just funny. Whenever Judy's craving this, you know what that means. All right, we're gonna get a lot of things in here. Strawberries, for sure.
Organic.
Organic, you see it? Okay, good. When it comes to berries, it's almost always gonna be organic. Grapes included, that's why we put those back. Lately, the strawberries, even though they're not really in season, they have been looking good. Look at this. Have they been sweet, girls? Huh? Our favorite place to buy fruits is definitely the farmer's market, because it means that everything's in season, grown locally, and almost always tastes the best too. Downside is it's expensive. Hey, come on now. We gotta support your local farmers. Farmers need our help. These green beans have not been looking so hot lately, but these are actually looking really good. When do these expire? 10 days away? These are looking good. Maybe I'll be able to finally make those garlic green beans for the girls. Speaking of garlic, gotta get our big bag of garlic. So normally we don't usually go through all of them, but the convenience of these and the flavor is so good, so worth it. Oh, look at that. One that expires March 5th. There you go. See, that's the trick. Gotta get the one that expires later, because they will go bad even before the expiration. The trick is though, when you're taking the garlic out of the bag, leave the bag in the fridge. Man, these girls, they don't get samples. They act like we starve them. Hey, you just ate a whole half a chicken bake. Do you realize that? I'm quite surprised they still have the Japanese A5 Wagyu. This one steak, not that bad of a price for Wagyu, but this is 60 bucks. Not really even that thick, but that's a lot. 224 bucks for this. This is the dad life.
Look at it.
You don't worry so much about the hair. Yeah, I don't know why your hair looks like that. It's all kind of like frizzy. So soup wise, we've been buying this a lot, especially with grilled cheese, really nice. Something else Judy's been getting is this. Loaded baked potato. This is really good. Very hearty, very heavy, very delicious. And of course, Ivar's clam chowder, always a hit. Today, I think I got enough food. Gonna get some chicken thighs. Look at the expiration, of course. February 3rd, got January 31st. I think February 3rd is the way to go today. February 3rd, right at the bottom. $33? Damn, that's a lot. 5.5 pounds, $33. Obviously, no bones, no skin. Pretty convenient. Next up, milk. The purple milk? Leah calls this A2 organic whole milk the purple milk because the carton is purple and this is all she wants to drink, even though sometimes there's no flavor difference. But okay, as always, look at the expiration. 412, 411, 412 might be the winner. I think 412 is the way to go. It's the end of January. This milk expires 3 months from now. Mango juice?
Yeah.
Are we all out? Oh, you're saying at the bottom?
Yeah, at the bottom.
Oh, okay. Should we get mango juice in?
Yeah.
Okay. She's like a real life shopping list. I like that. What is this right here? Mango juice. $6.29 for this. So what we do with this, because this is thick, sweet, and it's kind of heavy, a lot of calories, we'll water it down. So we either pour it on ice, cut it with some water, or you know what's really good? Put ice in a cup, pour this into the glass of ice, and then sparkling water on top of it. Mango soda.
Yeah, mommy made that.
Yeah.
Last time.
For her, for you?
Yeah.
You like mango soda?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Because to be fair, this has 33 grams of sugar per serving, which is crazy. Now that's 8 ounces, so if you cut it, it's not gonna be that much. That would be, what, 15, 16? Gotta be careful with juice. Judy is requesting hash browns, frozen hash browns, if they have them. Oh, we saw this last time, Fruit Riot, sour grapes. True Fruit, frozen strawberries. And we got a lot of snacks right now at home. Yasso. Cookies and cream? What? What's that?
Not good.
What is it? Oreos. Oh yeah. We'll get that for the Airbnb, okay? Oh, look at this. We got chips. Want some chips? It's not spicy. Here, just try it. Tell me if it's good or not. Is it good? You like it? Look at that. Hey, Bella likes it. You know you have to leave when
Hey,
your
try
cart
it.
is
It
really
tastes like-
heavy.
try
It's
it.
hard
It
to
tastes like-
turn. Okay, let's go. Thank you. All of this plus this, 222 bucks. That ain't bad. I forgot your smoothie.
What do Daddy? We can get Daddy.
Oh, we can just get it? I was just kidding. I got you a smoothie.